today I'm going to be showing you how to complete the foundation double crochet. To get started, we're going to do our slip knot, and chain 2. To begin, we're going to find that first chain that we created, yarn over and go through that. Now yarn over, pull through 1. We're going to yarn over again and pull through 1 again. Now what that is doing is creating that base chain, and then we go on to finish up our double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you can't really see it well yet, but we've started our chains, and then we have our first double crochet here. So to do our second one, we're going to yarn over. It can be a little difficult, but you're going to find that V, those 2 loops of your chain. Put your hook through there, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 1 to create that base chain, and then to complete the double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now you can see I have 2 V's down here. So I'm going to yarn over, insert the hook into that second V, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 for the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 for the double crochet. Let's do that one more time. Yarn over, put the hook through those 2 loops of our chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you can see our base chain is getting going down there. Here's our row of double crochets, and when you're going to go on to your next row, you're just going to turn this way, chain 2. If you're going to turn around and do another row, turn it and keep going. It can take a few tries to get this. The first time I tried it, I gave up and didn't do it for a while. But once I got the hang of it, and like I said, this is one of my favorite stitches. Comes in so handy, really a time saver, and I hope this helps you out.